Ever wonder why your feline friend is coughing? Well, it's not because they're trying to mimic you. Cats cough for a variety of reasons, from hairballs to more serious conditions like asthma. Hairballs are the most common cause, resulting from your cat's natural grooming process. When too much hair gets ingested, it forms a clump that your cat has to cough up. However, if the coughing is persistent, it could be a sign of feline asthma, a condition affecting roughly 1 in 100 cats. This chronic inflammation of the small passageways in the lungs can be triggered by common household allergens. So, if your cat is coughing more than usual, it's worth a trip to the vet. Remember, your furball's health is worth more than 1,000 purrs. Stay informed and keep your cat purring happily.